Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is on how you will be doing your map based questions for political science. It is of 4 marks, and if you want to score full, that it is very important that you get all of them correct, because it is actually very easy. बहुत ही easy आता है. अगर आप अपने syllabus को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करेंगे तो map आपको आएगा. Okay, so but one thing is there that आपको you have to know the states, like you have to know the political map of India. आपको ये जानना होगा कि कौन सा स्टेट है ये, बिकॉज आपके पेपर में इट विल बी मार्क ABCD एंड यू हैव टू लाइक रिकॉग्नाइज इट कि दिस इज विच स्टेट. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द पॉलिटिकल मैप ऑफ इंडिया very nicely. So you can do one thing which I did also. I had it printed out. I printed out this political map of India and I kept it near me so that I can see it, so when you just you're studying and you just see it, or you can just keep it inside your political science book, a small political map. I'll attach it here. You can maybe print it and you can keep it inside your book. Every time you study political science, you can just go through that. Okay, it will actually help you to remember which state is where. Okay, and apart from that, type of questions that usually come in map based reorganization of states, a lot of questions come from there. Reorganization से बहुत सारे questions आते हैं, like they will ask you in 1960 which state was reorganized, and maybe it is marked on Gujarat or it might be marked on Maharashtra. And again they might ask you from regional movements, Assam movement. Then they might name the leader of the movement and ask you कि this leader was from where, ये leader कहाँ से, कौन से state से belong करता है. That also becomes very important. Again they can ask you about princely states, like this princely state it became a part of India and this, so which state is that, or this was the ruler of this state. It can it can be asked for Hyderabad especially, because we know the Nizam of Hyderabad, so you have to mark Telangana that time if they ask about Hyderabad. So these are what they will ask you usually. And they can also ask about election results, like in this state the Congress did not get majority in this year on this election, so that is also a type of question that can come. One thing that will help you a lot in this is PYQs. अगर आप practice कर रहे हैं तो उसमें ही आपका बहुत सारे questions already हो जाएंगे. Do all the PYQs for the maps that you have. Also sample papers में भी आपको मिल जाएंगे, so that will be a lot of practice already. But one more thing जो आप देख सकते हैं कि जो इंडिया बुक में जो like there's this part where leaders के बारे में description होता है. Suppose Vallabh Bhai Patel ji, so there will be a box to the side of India book where they have described all the leaders, then from which state there are. That box is not needed for your syllabus, but the thing is, if you read through that box and you can just mark the state of the leader, which leader is from which state, that will help you so that you don't lose any marks in your map. This is all that you need for political science map. I hope this video helps. If you have any other doubt, you can let me know in the comments and I will try to make videos on that as well. Good luck with your studies.